2 non-stick silicone baking mats for easy and convenient baking, roasting and food prep. Non-stick silicone releases food without the need for grease, cooking sprays, or parchment paper. Oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Fits half-sheet size pans, easy to clean with soap and warm water. Each baking mat measures approximately 11.6 by 16.5 inches, LXW. Top reviews from the United States. Great heat-resistant mats. I use these for when I am sticking Swarovski crystals onto clothing. I needed something heat-resistant so that the crystals wouldn't stick to my work surface, and also my heating tool wouldn't damage my table. These have been great for what I needed them for. I have yet to use them for cooking anything though. This order came with 2, so I'll have to try the other mat out when cooking, soon. Very durable and seem easy to clean. Easy cleanup. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply wash the mats by hand with soap and water and allow to air dry, or place in the dishwasher, top rack only. Oven safe. Bake and roast directly on the oven-safe mats, or place under casseroles or pies that may bubble over, or use in the refrigerator to chill treats. Non-stick construction. A convenient, less messy alternative to greasing pans, non-stick silicone baking mats can be placed directly on a sheet pan or your countertop. Food-grade silicone. Made from durable, flexible silicone that can be reused over and over, the baking mat features a non-stick surface for effortless food removal.